If you thought the DJI Mini 5 Pro represented the absolute ceiling for what a sub-250-gram drone could achieve, it might be time to rethink everything you know about compact aerial technology, because the first substantial leaks surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro suggest something far more ambitious than a simple upgrade. What's emerging from supply chain whispers and early reports is not just another iteration, but a complete reimagining of what a lightweight drone can deliver. Instead of incremental tweaks, this appears to be a bold leap forward, one that challenges the traditional compromises that have defined the Mini series since its inception. For years, choosing a Mini drone meant enjoying portability and regulatory freedom while accepting limitations in camera performance, obstacle avoidance, and overall power. The Mini 6 Pro, however, seems determined to erase that compromise entirely. At the center of this transformation is a rumored shift to a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, a development that could fundamentally change image quality in this category. While a 1-inch sensor is already impressive in such a small drone, the addition of stacked architecture elevates things to an entirely new level. This technology, typically reserved for high-end mirrorless cameras, allows for dramatically faster readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter distortion and significantly enhancing dynamic range. In practical terms, this means creators will be able to capture scenes with extreme contrast, like sunsets or cityscapes at dusk, without sacrificing detail in either highlights or shadows. The result is footage that feels richer, more balanced, and far closer to what you would expect from much larger and heavier drones. The leap doesn't stop at sensor performance. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to support 6K video recording at 30 frames per second, a feature that pushes it firmly into professional territory. While resolution alone isn't everything, the ability to shoot in 6K provides immense flexibility in post-production. Creators can crop, stabilize, or reframe shots without losing clarity, effectively giving them more creative control after the flight is over. For content creators, filmmakers, and even hobbyists who demand the highest quality, this could be a game-changing capability in such a compact form factor. Another breakthrough feature being discussed is the integration of a miniaturized LiDAR system for obstacle detection. Traditionally, drones in this size category rely on visual sensors, which struggle or fail entirely in low-light conditions. This limitation has always made nighttime or dusk flying risky. By incorporating LiDAR, which uses laser pulses to map the environment in 3 dimensions, the Mini 6 Pro could achieve reliable obstacle avoidance even in near-total darkness. This would open up entirely new creative possibilities, allowing for safer flights during blue hour or nighttime shoots, and providing a level of confidence that has never been available in a drone this small. Flight performance is also expected to receive a major upgrade with the introduction of a new transmission system, referred to in leaks as O5. This system is rumored to operate on a more advanced frequency band, designed to resist interference in densely populated or signal-heavy environments. Anyone who has flown a drone in a busy urban area knows how quickly signal strength can degrade when buildings or competing wireless networks come into play. The O5 system aims to address this by offering a stronger, more stable connection, potentially extending the range up to 25 kilometers. While regulations still require pilots to maintain line of sight, this added headroom ensures a more reliable live feed and overall control, even in challenging conditions. Battery life is another area where the Mini 6 Pro could redefine expectations. Early reports Arabic Ta, Arabic Sheen, Arabic Yet, Arabic Rot, Arabic Khalif Date Hamza, Arabic Lam, Arabic Khalif Maksura, a high-energy density battery capable of delivering up to 60 minutes of flight time with an extended battery option, and around 45 minutes with the standard version that keeps the drone under regulatory weight limits. If accurate, this would represent one of the most significant advancements in drone usability. Longer flight times mean fewer interruptions, greater efficiency during shoots, and the ability to capture extended sequences without constantly worrying about battery swaps. The physical design of the drone is also evolving, albeit in subtle but meaningful ways. The use of carbon fiber reinforced polymer for the arms suggests a stronger, more rigid frame that can better handle wind resistance without adding extra weight. Additionally, the inclusion of a variable aperture lens, potentially ranging from f1.7 to f11, introduces a level of manual control typically reserved for higher-end drones. This allows users to adjust exposure settings mid-flight without relying solely on ND filters, making it easier to adapt to changing lighting conditions on the fly. For creators focused on social media and vertical content, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to enhance its vertical shooting capabilities with a more flexible gimbal system. This improved range of motion would enable smoother transitions and more dynamic angles, while upgraded AI features, possibly branded as MasterShots 2, could automate complex cinematic movements. These intelligent shooting modes may allow the drone to track subjects through challenging environments, executing professional-looking shots that previously required advanced piloting skills or additional crew. Internally, the drone is rumored to feature improved cooling systems to handle the demands of high-resolution video recording. A quieter, more efficient fan design would help maintain performance without introducing unwanted noise, which is particularly important when recording audio on the ground. Storage is also expected to see an upgrade, with built-in capacity increasing to 64 GB, providing a safety net for users who forget to bring external memory cards. On the software side, an updated flight app could offer more advanced controls over color profiles, including options like D-Log-M and HLG. These profiles are essential for professional color grading, enabling footage from the Mini 6 Pro to blend seamlessly with clips from larger cinema cameras. This level of integration further reinforces the idea that this drone is not just a casual gadget, but a serious creative tool. Looking ahead, the anticipated release window for the Mini 6 Pro appears to fall in late 2026 or early 2027, giving the company time to refine these ambitious features and ensure compliance with evolving drone regulations worldwide. Pricing is expected to reflect the advanced technology, with early estimates suggesting a starting point around $949. While this positions it at the higher end of the Mini lineup, the combination of features may justify the cost for many users who would otherwise need to invest in larger, more expensive drones. Ultimately, the Mini 6 Pro represents a significant shift in what compact drones can achieve. It challenges long-held assumptions about size versus performance and suggests a future where portability no longer comes at the expense of capability. If these leaks prove accurate, this drone could mark a turning point in aerial imaging, offering a level of performance that was once unimaginable in such a small package.